Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set double tap to lock your screen in your phone Oppo A78 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to home screen and lock screen. And here you will see double tap to lock. Just turn on this button so that you can double tap a blank area on the home screen to lock the screen. Okay, so usually to lock your screen you will use this side key. Okay, if you won't press the side key, screen will be locked. Okay, so hereafter if you have set double tap to lock, that means you can just double tap on blank area in the home screen. Okay, this is home screen. Several apps are available. You should double tap on blank area. See here. Now phone screen is locked. Okay, so this is called double tap to lock. Okay, again I am checking. See here. So in this way you can easily set double tap to lock screen in your phone Oppo A78 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.